Okay, so we're gonna go outside in the snow and try and play. We don't have a toboggan, so this is our ghetto makeshift toboggan. You're so nosy, you can't even mind your business. Why do you always have to stare at people? Go out the door. God always stops and stares. Doesn't matter what, and he'll just stand up there and just start staring at you like, hello. Okay, this is the hill that I was taking him on to go tobogganing down, but I don't think we can. Why are all these things? I think the snow is not hard enough. The snow has to be like a certain kind of snow to go tobogganing, because then you're just gonna sink right in it. Oh hell no. Wait, let's see. Papa, I don't think we could do this. You could just have to play. You just have to play in the snow.
No.
What do you mean no? We're sinking. And your boots are not even high enough. You have the snow pants and everything. Like, you have everything, but no.
I want to go up there and go down the hill.
You can't. That's what I'm saying. It's not hard enough. You could, okay, watch. Go walk. Let me see. Go. Because then I'm going to have to walk. And it's too... And look at your ankles. The snow's going to go in your ankles. Your boots are not high enough. You see? You can't go tobogganing. See? It's not going to work. Has to be like... It's too much snow. You could play in it for a while, but we can't be doing no tobogganing. Your ankles are not cold? Your foot's not cold? Oh my God. You coming back now?
Yeah. I want to go.
I know your feet are cold. I know snow's getting in your boots.
Whoa. My feet. This hill is steep.
See? Exactly.
But I want to go back up.
No! Sage!
Sit right there.
Are you not cold? Yo, why don't kids be cold? What are you trying to do now? It's cold.
What?
Thank you.